Today, I'm putting FUKKUDA's safe plasma arc lighter to the test by lighting up some Easter baskets in the most creative way possible. Let's see if I can make these baskets shine. FUKKUDA's safe plasma arc lighter is an innovative and safe alternative for lighting Easter baskets and other festive activities, making it a game changer for holiday celebrations. Traditional lighters can be a real hassle, especially when it comes to lighting candles or decorations in windy conditions. They often struggle to stay lit, and it's easy to burn yourself if you're not careful. Safety concerns are also a major issue, as traditional lighters can be a fire hazard if not used properly. Many people have experienced the frustration of trying to light a candle or decoration, only to have the flame blow out instantly. This can be especially problematic during outdoor celebrations like Easter egg hunts or parties. Lighting Easter baskets and decorations can be a challenging task, especially for kids. They often have trouble using traditional lighters, and it's not always safe for them to be handling open flames. This is where FUKKUDA's safe plasma arc lighter comes in. It's designed with safety in mind, making it perfect for families with children. The lighter is also incredibly difficult to use for children, thanks to its child-safe design, giving parents peace of mind during holiday celebrations. The challenges of using traditional lighters are numerous, and they can really put a damper on holiday festivities. Windy conditions, safety concerns, and difficulty lighting candles or decorations are just a few of the issues that people face. However, with FUKKUDA's safe plasma arc lighter, many of these problems are eliminated, making it a great alternative for Easter celebrations. FUKKUDA's plasma arc lighter is a fantastic tool for lighting Easter baskets and decorations. Its child-safe design and windproof capabilities make it perfect for outdoor celebrations, and its rechargeable functionality means you'll never run out of power. The lighter is also incredibly easy to use, with a simple and intuitive design that makes it accessible to everyone. Whether you're lighting candles, decorations, or Easter baskets, FUKKUDA's plasma arc lighter is the perfect tool for the job. One of the best features of the FUKKUDA plasma arc lighter is its ability to light candles and decorations in windy conditions. The windproof design means that the flame will stay lit, even in strong winds, making it perfect for outdoor celebrations. The lighter is also rechargeable, which means you can use it again and again without having to worry about running out of fuel. This makes it a great option for families who like to celebrate multiple holidays throughout the year. The FUKKUDA Plasma Arc Lighter is a must-have for anyone who loves to celebrate holidays like Easter. Its unique design and features make it the perfect tool for lighting Easter baskets and decorations, and its safety features give parents peace of mind. Whether you're looking for a safe and easy way to light candles or decorations, or you just want to add some extra flair to your holiday celebrations, FUKKUDA's Plasma Arc Lighter is the perfect choice. In action, the FUKKUDA Plasma Arc Lighter is incredibly impressive. It lights candles and decorations with ease, and its windproof design means that the flame will stay lit even in strong winds. The lighter is also very easy to use, with a simple and intuitive design that makes it accessible to everyone. Whether you're a seasoned holiday celebrator or just starting out, FUKKUDA's Plasma Arc Lighter is the perfect tool for the job. The FUKKUDA Plasma Arc Lighter is a joy to use, and it makes lighting Easter baskets and decorations a breeze. The lighter is so easy to use that even kids can do it, and its child-safe design means that parents don't have to worry about their little ones getting hurt. The windproof design and rechargeable functionality also make it perfect for outdoor celebrations, where windy conditions and limited power sources can be a challenge. As you can see, the FUKKUDA Plasma Arc Lighter is a fantastic tool for lighting Easter baskets and decorations. It's easy to use, safe, and windproof, making it the perfect choice for holiday celebrations. The lighter is also very effective, and it makes lighting candles and decorations a simple and enjoyable task. Whether you're celebrating Easter or another holiday, FUKKUDA's Plasma Arc Lighter is a great option. The FUKKUDA Plasma Arc Lighter is a great way to add some extra flair to your Easter celebrations. It's easy to use, safe, and windproof, making it the perfect tool for lighting Easter baskets and decorations. The lighter is also very versatile, and it can be used for a variety of tasks, from lighting candles to igniting fireworks. Whether you're looking for a safe and easy way to light your holiday decorations or you just want to add some extra excitement to your celebrations, FUKKUDA's Plasma Arc Lighter is a great choice. Using the FUKKUDA Plasma Arc Lighter for Easter baskets and other occasions has numerous benefits. It's safe, convenient, and easy to use, making it a great alternative to traditional lighters. The lighter is also very effective, and it makes lighting candles and decorations a simple and enjoyable task. Thanks for watching. If you've got any thoughts on the FUKKUDA Plasma Arc Lighter, be sure to leave them in the comments below. If you're looking for more innovative products to enhance your holiday celebrations, check out our other video showcasing the latest and greatest in festive tech.